Swing it, Seattle. So Jazz, let's do the Charleston. This was our first week of drop-in classes, and we did a routine to Glenn Kreitzer's Rose Room. We'll put a link for that in the description. Great music. Thanks, Glenn. Here are some of the basic elements we looked over. We have touches versus steps. This is a touch. This is a step. Good. We kept that thought in mind when we did one basic, which looks like touch, step, touch, step. We also doubled up, going touch, 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 step, and then touch, 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 step. We played around with letting the legs go straight or letting them go round. We also did long-legged Charleston. So after we did our big kick on the right, 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 then left, left, long-legged kick, rock step. We had our basic Charleston, rocking on the left, 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 right, right. And then we had these single kicks. We had more of a jive kicking feel. Rocking on the left, they went 1, 3, 5 minutes straddle, 1, 3, straddle on the other side, 1, 3, 5, 7. Then we had a little mess around at the end.